Good evening, viewers. Welcome to today's edition of the news. First, before heading to the news in detail, let's have a glimpse of the headlines. Hinyaotrap Youth Council launches a vigorous poster campaign to bring attention to the growing drug menace. Agatha Sangma officially taken on the role of Chairperson of State Commission for Protection of Child Rights. One-man commission finalized the standard operating procedure for transportation of coal. Hinyaotrap Youth Council demanded the government to form a specialized anti-narcotics task force. And Shillong Lajong Football Club announced new membership program. Now the news in detail. The Hinyaotrap Youth Council today launched a vigorous poster campaign to bring attention to the growing drug menace and press the government for decisive action. Armed with thought-provoking slogans, the council members took to the streets to voice their concerns. Addressing the media, President of the HYC Roy Kupar Sindram declared plans for a mass public meeting on November 7, 2024 at Motpran. This rally aims to mobilize community support and intensify pressure on the government to address the drug crisis.
In Lailat or in Police Bazaar to do this poster campaign in order to make people understand, to make people know these are our points of demand, and also to make the government know that HYC will not stop till the government implement or accept the demands made by HYC. So that is the point of the poster campaign today.
Agatha Sangma has officially taken on the role of Chairperson of the State Commission for Protection of Child Rights in Meghalaya. In her first media address, she responded to criticisms surrounding her appointment and expressed her determination to prove herself through her work. Sangma highlighted her passion for child welfare and the importance of collaboration in ensuring child safety. Although health issues delayed her start, she is eager to contribute to the Commission's efforts.
Minister, so I am here to talk to him today, call on him and take it forward. So let's see how it goes.
Critics are that your appointment is related to narcotics and
yes. See, I have no comments on that either, because whatever you do, there will always be criticism. Honestly, I'm here to show my work, and hopefully in the coming time, my work would speak for itself. It's not necessarily about nepotism or anything, but I personally feel that I've always had a very soft corner for children, and they're my favorite people in the world, and I'm very excited to work. So let people say whatever. So I'm just happy that I've been given this opportunity.
The One-Man Commission of Justice, retired BP Katake, appointed by the High Court of Meghalaya on Tuesday, finalized the Standard Operating Procedure (SOP) for transportation of coal brought from outside the state or transported through the state to Bangladesh to counter the illegal transportation of locally mined coal disguised as coal sourced from outside the state. Speaking to reporters after the meeting, he said that the state government has suggested some changes in the earlier SOP. He also suggested that Secretary Mining and Geology should be a part of the decision-making process in the SOP.
Typographical mistake, and also instead of mentioning the name of Bangladesh instead of neighboring countries. So we have the neighboring country only Bangladesh, in fact. Meghalaya. So, but I have also suggested that the Secretary Mining and Geology should be part of the decision-making process in the SOP. So I have reiterated that Secretary should be there, and we have finalized the SOP. That SOP is relating to the coal brought from outside the state to the state of Meghalaya, or for export to the state of, Bangladesh through Meghalaya. We have laid down certain guidelines rather.
The Hinyotrap Youth Council has demanded that the Meghalaya government form a specialized anti-narcotics task force, ANTF, similar to the Special Weapons and Tactics Unit, to fight drug trafficking across the state. Highlighting the inefficiency of the current ANTF structure, HYC President Roy Kupar Sindram emphasized the need for an independent team, free from routine law enforcement duties. To further strengthen oversight, the HYC has demanded a local office of the Narcotics Control Bureau to facilitate independent investigations into potential police misconduct.
Of East Jantel. So it creates a lot of problems, and there is a lot of time. The response time is very short. They don't get a proper response time. So the minister concerned has informed us that the government will work out a modalities in which the NTF will be a specially designated team to fight drugs in the state of Meghalaya. So we'll be having a special team in line with SWAT, in line with SWAT, just what they did when the militancy was at its height at the state of Meghalaya. They formed a special team, special operation team, at present also to fight drugs.
Former Tura MP and NPP leader Agatha Sangma on Tuesday expressed confidence in NPP candidate Mehtab Chandi Sangma's prospects in the Gambegre by-elections. Agatha emphasized that the people of Gambegre have witnessed the development work led by Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and NPP ministers, and she believes they want to elect an MLA connected with the government to ensure continued progress and access to beneficial schemes.
In the work of NPP and the government, and I feel that Gambegre wants to be a part of that, you know, to have an MLA who is part of the government, who will help bring about better development and better schemes. So I really feel that the people of Gambegre are looking forward to voting in this election, and they will definitely look at the government of the day. They will look at our Honorable Chief Minister and also our candidate, Mrs. Mehtab A. Sangma. She is a very, very qualified candidate, has had a vast experience in public life. So I really feel that the combination is wonderful and we will see good results.
The one-man Commission of Justice retired BP Katake on Tuesday informed that there are over 30,000 coal mine openings spread across the state, some very remote, and unless these are closed, it will be reactivated and illegal mining activities will restart. Justice Katake also ordered an aerial survey to verify the availability of 32 lakh metric ton of coal as claimed by the state government, with its earlier drone survey revealing as many as 15 lakh metric ton of coal only.
The mine available, and therefore this should be allowed to be operated. 32 lakh metric ton. And we made a verification. We found, we didn't find 32 lakh metric ton of coal as stated in the Supreme Court. And we got it verified through the drone survey here. And in drone survey around, if I'm not mistaken, 18 lakh or something we found. And that 18 lakh metric ton is treated as reassessed, re-verified, inventoried coal.
The Ribhoi Youth Federation, RBYF Shakhoi Khuna unit, has strongly criticized the delay in the construction of the road connecting 20 miles to the village of Shakhoi Khuna, covering a stretch of approximately 7 kilometers. The federation has condemned the negligence of the contractor responsible for the project, highlighting the significant hardships faced by the local community. Speaking to the media, Shri Tailang Maring, president of the RBYF Shakhoi Khuna unit, expressed disappointment over the poor state of the road, which has caused considerable inconvenience to the public.
Ngadap da kajin sukya lamar lada kontraktor umla ban pentrei balai uti pat yakan ka serok jengi mansua namar mansua ban yat ka kali nyedang khamsok kali kawan te kadba haden bakila dapti ki ong ban repairing no dak bathamai kila ti kila pan prai kan ka serok te ma hadok menta kim padap ya kata kakam ya ki nonglait nongwan bat kham tam gi breu gi bapang gi bestom ki bahabiat na kan ka serok namar kan ka serok ka kadai ka wei kalti lane utit snam bangila benong.
Farmers in West Jantia Hills, West Khasi Hills and Eastern West Khasi Hills yesterday faced a huge loss as the rice which was ready for harvest was damaged by hailstorm that hit the areas. The worst affected villages in West Jantia Hills include Mustem, Muplang, Musakia, Samanong and nearby villages. Walam Shilla, a farmer and the headman of Muplang, expressed his deep concern for the families in his village who have suffered complete loss of their crops. In the eastern West Khasi Hills, according to gathered information, the damage to paddy has been especially heavy in the Mairang region, where many villages such as Rikhen, Thangmao and the Marot area. In the West Khasi Hills district, reports indicate that there was rain and hailstorm activity, although not as intense. Only in few villages such as Nongspung, Lang Umshing and Umshinrut, the hail and rain were more severe. Social Welfare Minister Paul Lyngdoh informed that the next meeting of the Drug Reduction, Elimination and Action Mission, DREAM, will be chaired by Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Home Police, Preston Tinsong, on November 14. The minister informed this during a meeting with a delegation from the Hinyao Trap Youth Council HYC. Addressing the media, Lyngdoh highlighted that the issues raised by the HYC and other civil society organizations would be addressed at the upcoming DREAM meeting. He emphasized that the meeting would discuss both short-term and long-term strategies to tackle drug-related issues.
As a government, are committed to containing and eventually eradicating the menace of drug trafficking from our state. And the importance of the meeting on the 14th is that we will have a fresh look at our strategy of tackling the problem. There will be more focus on policing and the need to strengthen the ANTF.
In view to create awareness among the public across India about the importance of social inclusion of differently abled people, magician and motivational speaker Gopinath Muthukat has embarked upon Bharat Yatra Inclusive India program that combines magic events with a social message. This campaign is being carried out with the support of the Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, DEPWD, under the Ministry of Social Justice, Government of India. Gopinath performed in Shillong and Assam Rifle, Happy Valley yesterday with an objective that through his art in magic, it will create a sense of awareness for the people of the state of the importance of social inclusion of differently abled people. Shillong Lajong Football Club, which is one of the most popular football clubs in India, announced the new membership program for the I-League season of the year 2024-25. The 2024-25 I-League season, organized by the All India Football Federation, will start on 22nd November. The Shillong Lajong membership program aims to recognize, congratulate and reward the unwavering support of the club's loyal supporters. Members will receive many benefits, including priority access to match tickets, club specials and discounted prices on I-League tickets in Shillong. Fans can register for the membership program of Shillong Lajong FC through the official club's social media pages, and they can also visit the club office at Centrepoint Hotel, Police Bazaar.
Dengan kadang kelab-kelab pembina yang gawe ke bentang ban Island Indonesia juga kelab kejongi ban long no kikot dan ki member apa jong ke kelab bakatang jong member juga kelab apa juga kelab nindon akan don hadu likely ke bentang.
And now the weather report. Minimum temperature recorded today was 13 degrees Celsius, while maximum temperature was recorded at 21.2 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 83%, which decreased to 78% in the evening. Forecast: light rain with possibility of shallow to moderate fog is likely to occur at isolated places. Before winding up this news bulletin, let's have a quick look at the headlines once again. Hinyao Trap Youth Council launches a vigorous poster campaign to bring attention to the growing drug menace. Agatha Sangma officially taken on the role of chairperson of State Commission for Protection of Child Rights. One-man commission finalized the standard operating procedure for transportation of coal. Hinyao Trap Youth Council demanded the government to form a specialized anti-narcotics task force. And Shillong Lajong Football Club announced new membership program. And dear viewers, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. Thank you for tuning in with us. Good night.